I'm here today. I'm getting a 500 NAD IV, and this is my nurse Amber with me that's helping me. And what this does is it helps my cognitive health. It helps my overall wellness, my thinking capacity, everything. I feel like the inside of my body is getting a facelift from the inside out. So my thinking's sharper. It rebuilds some of your cellular health. I don't know all the exact medical terms. I do it every 2 weeks and I feel amazing inside. And so my work has a lot of high stress to it, healing people's bodies. So this helps me to get through all that things for pressure situations. It gives me overwhelming calmness. I already have it, but that just helps accent it. And that's what I'm here today. It usually takes me about 2 hours, 2.5 hours. If it goes too fast into me, I get kind of flush and I can feel some pressure in my chest and things like that. But as I feel it dripping in me right now, I can feel my vision is getting clearer. I can just feel like a health being infused into me. And that's why I do it.
So John's doing good. I am doing 500 milligrams of NAD in this bag of water, and it's infusing into his IV. It's looking good. Everyone's a little bit different as to why they want to get this medicine. It sounds like John wants clearer vision and he wants better cognition and just for his body to feel better from the inside out. Other people might come in for more energy level, helps your skin, better athletic performance.
I just feel more lubricated the whole inside of my body.
I'm checking to make sure that the IV is working and taking the medicine and making sure he's not having any reactions and just closely monitoring him, and he's looking good.
Okay, another big benefit why I do this is I want to practice what I preach when I advise other people to come in and get different treatments to help with their health. I work on a whole bunch of athletes, a bunch of rash of soccer players lately, and if they're not healthy, taking care of their bodies, it doesn't make any sense for me not to take care of mine. So when people come in, they see me, oh, you look pretty good. One of the biggest lines that people try to say is, oh, you look so good for your age. How old are you? And I got a perfect line for that. I say, I don't know how old I am, but I can tell you every day when I wake up that I'm just getting started. I'm just doing warm-ups. I haven't even started my physical training yet. So that's where I'm at. And so I keep that kind of mindset all the time. And I also tell clients when they come to my table that I only work on champions. I think when I met Amber, I worked on her when you first started working here, right? And so I tell everyone there, everyone that comes to the table is a champion. So thank you very much.